here. From a first look to the vow renewal, she's got that fire. The 239 McGregor. Let's move. Last night we let the heart talk fly, looking at the moon in the Florida sky. I know the world can get a little bit loud, but you're the only one I see in the crowd. No more could have been, so maybe next time. After 10 years, I'm just glad that you're mine. Yeah, we're staying on the track. Every mile, every minute, every dime I spent, it was all worth it for the place we went. I ain't wasted on the past or the things we lost. I'm just wasted on your love, no matter the cost. I'm addicted to the life that we're building here in the 239, keeping the vision clear. They should've gave me a warning about a girl like you, with a spicy soul and a heart so true. A little bit of fire, a whole lot of grace, the only one I want in this Florida place. Yeah, you're dangerous in the very bends away, keeping me on my toes every single day. I know what I want and I've got what I need. The McGregor life is the life that I lead. I want that fire, I want that spark. I want the one who guides me through the dark. It ain't about the noise or the latest trend. It's about the partner, the goddess, and a friend. I love the 239, I love the way we've grown, but I love you more than any place I've known. We've got the Oasis, we got the plan. I'm a lucky woman, self-made man. More than the cars and more than the fame, I'm just glad to have you share my name. With all you should know, after all this time, you're the reason that I'm making this climb to every turn and every open door. I love you today even more than before. 10 years strong, we're just getting started. No heartbreak, just a legacy. 10 years of winning, major moves, McGregor.